Starting new paragraphs. Paragraphs are important in writing because they help organize your thoughts and make your story or essay easier to read. Knowing when to start a new paragraph is a key part of writing well. Here are some simple rules to help you decide when to start a new paragraph. If the topic or idea you're writing about changes, it's time to start a new paragraph. Each paragraph should focus on one main idea. So when you move to a new idea, you start a new paragraph. In a story, when a new event or action happens, start a new paragraph. This helps the reader understand that something different is going on. If you start writing about a different person, it's a good idea to start a new paragraph. This helps keep your writing clear and easy to follow. In stories or dialogue, every time a different person speaks, you should start a new paragraph. This makes it easier to see who is talking. If your writing moves to a different location, start a new paragraph. This helps show that the setting has changed. When the time in your story changes, like moving from morning to afternoon, or from one day to the next, start a new paragraph. Starting new paragraphs makes your writing clear and easier to read. It helps the reader follow along with the changes in your story or ideas. Remember, paragraphs are like the building blocks of your writing. Knowing when to start a new paragraph helps make your writing clear and interesting.